Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Aru etu channel tur kute photography uporot hobo. So channel to start korote. So aji first basic or pora start korim boli bhabichu. So ajir topic to hol basics of photography. So before going to the topic, go through my intro. So basics of photography. Photography to jorito hoy ase lighter logot. So ami first jodi ekhon photo click koro ami eta bostu janibo lagibo jondur naam hol exposure triangle. So what is exposure triangle? Exposure triangle is a triangle of three elements. Aru ei elements keita hol first ISO, second aperture and third one is shutter speed. Ei tinita element ISO, shutter speed or aperture এটাৰ আন্তৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে সো লাইট সোর্স এটাৰ পৰা লাইট ক্যামেৰা ভিতৰত খুমাওতে কিমান লাইট খুমাব কি হ'ব গুটেখিনি ডিপেন্ড কৰিব এই তিনটা এলিমেন্টৰ ওপৰত সো whenever you go to take photographs then you have to keep in mind the three elements then only you will get a good photograph so আমি এতিয়া describe কৰিম যে ISO shutter speed and aperture কি হয় So what is ISO? So ISO defines the sensitivity of your image sensor. Tuma camera to jonto image sensor ase he sensor sensitivity to ISO boli koa hai. So if you lower your ISO such as 100 ba 50 korila ISO to then your image sensitivity to low hoi jabo. Then you will get low lights, right? So jimane ISO borhaba himane mane the light juntu hoy light source to baribo aru jimane komaba himan light source to komibo so sensitivity if you are increasing the ISO then your image the sensitivity of your image will be higher if you are lowering the ISO then the sensitivity of your image sensor will be lower so কি হয় যেতিয়া তুমি এটা ফটোগ্রাফ উঠাব যোৱা if you are going to click a photograph then if you are increasing the ISO such as 500 or may 800 or 1000 then what happen you have to increase your shutter speed too so কিছুমান ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হয় ISO যদি বঢ়োৱা then shutter speed to বঢ়াব লগা হৈ যায় in some situation not in all situations situation loi kene etu deal koribo lagibo so if you practically do it jodi practical tumaloke kora ki thaka then you will understand more so basically janiba actually jetia tumi photo to ISO if you are clicking a photograph then if you are lowering your ISO such as dhara 100 or 50 then hinuka situation কিছুমান সিচুয়েশনত the aperture to মানে কি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লগা হৈ যায় aperture to ধৰা 2.8 আছে then 1.8 কৰিব লগা হৈ যায় কিছুমান সিচুয়েশনত ISO যদি তুমি লো কৰা then হেতু মই কৈছো আগতে যে এটা আন্তৰ লগত ইন্টাৰ ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে দুখন ফটোগ্ৰাফ দিয়া আছে সাইডত সো ফাৰ্স্ট ফটোগ্ৰাফ খনত দিয়া আছে যে ISO 100 মই ফার্স্ট ফটোগ্রাফখন উঠাইছো কিন্তু বাকি অ্যাপারচার আৰু শাটার স্পিড তো একো চেঞ্জ কৰা নাই আৰু সেকেন্ড ফটোগ্রাফত 200 ISO to 100 বঢ়াই দিছো সো 200 ত উঠাইছো অ্যাপারচার আৰু শাটার স্পিড চেঞ্জ কৰা নাই so after increasing the ISO I have got the final result so in the second image I have changed the shutter speed too so ISO to 320 ৰাখিছো আৰু aperture f2.5 shutter speed 1/200 so first image second image ISO to 500 rakhisu aperture f2.0 আৰু shutter speed 1/100 so in this case three of the elements are changed tinta element change korisu so to get the good result or you can say the final result So after changing all 3 elements, I got the final result. So that's how it works. So low ISO value ketia tumaloke koriba when you will use low ISO value. So first, if you are using an external light, such as jodi tumi eta flashlight use kori asa, or you are shooting in with indoor lights, so heat situation ISO to tumi low koribo lagibo. And if you are shooting outdoor in harsh sunlight without using external accessories, so heat situation to tumi ISO to low koribo lagibo. When to use high ISO value, ketia high ISO value use koribo lage. So first, high ISO value use koribo lage in low light conditions. If you are shooting at night photography hol, second night photography, first low light dhora eta room shoot kori asa jot light olop kom. So in such situation you have to higher your ISO value. So second ahile, what is shutter speed? So apunar camera eta shutter ase ekhon, or you can say a door of your camera. So hey door khon jetia apnaloke ekhon photo click kore, hey door khon open hoy aru close hoy. So ei open hoa aru close hoa juntu speed, kiman speedot open hol, kiman speedot open hoy close hol, hey speed to shutter speed buli koa hoy. As there is shutter in your camera, so the speed of the opening and closing of your shutter in during the clicking of your photograph, it is known as shutter speed. So a shutter speed to seconds বা fraction of second measure kora hoy, অর্থাৎ for example 30 second, 40 second, অথবা 1/100 of second, 1/200 of second. Juntu 30 second বা 40 second juntu fraction ase, hey fraction bilakok koa hoy slow shutter speed. Aru jun bilak fraction of second jeneke 1/100 of second, 1/200 of second, he bilakok koa hoy first shutter speed. So first shutter speed ketia use koribo, second shutter speed ketia use koribo, aru first shutter speed ki hoy, second shutter speed ki hoy, we'll learn about it. Slow shutter speed. So slow shutter speed to ki hoy, dhorok apuni 16 second or say 13 second or 6 second. So if you are shooting something in such fraction of second, tetia apunloke juntu subject focus kori he subject to movement apunloke dekha pabo. Such as if you are clicking a bus in a city, tetia he bus to movement juntu ase he movement to apunloke capture koribo paribo if you are using a low shutter speed. Or the movement of a man walking, so or a movement of a man cycling. So tenuka movement jun bilak ase hey movement bilak apunloke capture koribo paribo if you are using low or slow shutter speed. So if you are using slow shutter speed, you can also capture images at night, such as the night trails or star trails. So these are the two images I have captured with slow shutter speed. I have captured the movement of the man running the bike in the city. Jot moi use korisu ISO 100, aperture f4.5 aru shutter speed 6 second. Jot muk movement juntu hoy manujoner clear dekha pai asu. So aru second image to hol eta abstract eta look eta dibo try korisu with the lights. So shutter speed to slow kori you can create artistic photograph. So it would ISO 400 use korisu, aperture f5.6 and shutter speed 6 second. So second ahile, what is first shutter speed? So if apunoke eta movement dhorok freeze koribo hoise, eta manu jap mari ase, so mantu jap mara to freeze koribo hoise. So then in that situation you have to faster your shutter speed. So such as 1/1000 of second, 1/1500 of second, or you can use 1/800 of second. So enuka shutter speed use kori kene you can freeze your subject. These are the two photographs I have taken. First khonot pani glassot পানীটোৰ মুভমেণ্ট মই ফ্ৰিজ কৰিছোঁ ISO ৰাখিছোঁ 100 aperture f3.5 shutter speed 1/1250 second and in the second photograph I have freezed the jumping of a boy into the water so hitu ISO rakhisu 100 aperture f2.8 shutter speed 1/1600 of a second the speed to etu nohoy je tumaloke jodi movement to kiba freeze kori hoisa but you want to capture a movement tetia slow shutter speed or fast shutter speed use koribo lage tenuka nohoy if you are shooting in harsh sunlight jodi harsh sunlight shoot kori asa tetia hole you henuka situation to mane shutter speed to borhaba laga hobo pare so situation loi kotha sopote as I already told you that in a photograph you have to manage the exposure you have to change the all the three elements so the final one what is aperture so aperture etu eta enuka bostu junto camera nohoy lens ot present hoy thake so this is the only one element of exposure triangle which is present in the lens not in the camera body so in simple words aperture is the door of lens which opens and closes according to aperture value so etu eta door hoy lens or junto aperture value change korile door to aperture value logot door to open ba close hoy so bhabi ase say what is aperture value so yes aperture value to mane focusing values hoy so aperture focusing values hoy such as 1.8 1.4 1.8 2.5 so inuka the numbers thake so in numbers bilak kok aperture value bole koa hai so based on these numbers your door of your lens opens so jodi 2 thake to alop horuke open hobo jodi 1.4 thake alop beshi dangorke open hobo so it based on the aperture values je more the door will open the more amount of light will enter into camera aru jodi door khon horu hoy then less amount of light will enter into camera so etu ki hoy dhorok apuni use kori ase 5.6 or 13 aperture value so in that case ki hoy door khon komke open hobo so amount of light to komke khumabo so hikhini situation you have to slower your aperture value etut uluta hoy je aperture value to slow kom korile he door khon besike khola hoy such as 5.6 ase so 5.6 or pora komai ani 2.6 ba 2.3 ba 3.6 tenika komai anile door khon besike khul khabo aru door khon besike khul khwa mane besi light camera bhitor khumabo so photograph khonor light to besike pabo aru dhorok aperture value to bahut besi ase dhorok 13 14 enenge ase then light to komke khumabo then if you are shooting I already told you that if you are shooting in harsh sunlight then you have to do this that you have to increase your aperture value in some situation jate outdoor sunor bahut harsh sunlight pori ase so light to bahut ase so he light to kom koribo karone aperture value to tumaloke borhabo lagibo so etu monot rakhibo lagibo je aperture value borhale juntu depth of field he depth of field to poa na jay so blur effect juntu he blur effect to iman poa na jay so if you are lowering your aperture value then tetia depth of field to besi poa jay aru depth of field besi poa mane tumar blur effect to besi hoy so I have clicked these two photographs so first photograph মই use কৰিছো ISO 100 and aperture f2.0 shutter speed 1/800 so you can see I have got a good depth of field I have focused on only the main subject and others are in blur so in a second photograph I have clicked the photograph in ISO 640 and aperture f1.8 shutter speed 1/1000 of a second so in this case ki hol more I want blur effect aru hikhini samoyot har sanila to asile সো মই কি কৰিলোঁ shutter speed to I have to increase shutter speed to মই increase কৰি দিলোঁ then light to অলপ কম হ'ল আৰু aperture to মই বঢ়াই দিলোঁ then মোৰ যোনটো blur effect সেই blur effect টো পালোঁ so মানে এটা good result পালোঁ মই so for a good result then you have to মই ক'লো না আগতে you have to মানে গুটেকিটা তিনটা এলিমেন্টে মেন্টিমেন্টৰ লগত আপোনালোকে খেলিব লাগিব তেতিয়া then only you will learn and then only you will get a good result that you want আৰু দুটা ফটোগ্ৰাফ মই উঠাইছো in the first photograph I have used ISO 125 and aperture f16 shutter speed 1/100/second in this case I have used a higher aperture values f16 use কৰিছো because মই shoot কৰিছো এটা landscape so landscape shoot কৰিলে মোক কোনো blur effect নালাগে I want everything in focus so যদি আপোনালোকে everything গুটেখিনি ফোকাসত বিচাৰিছে then you have to higher your aperture value so in the second photograph I have used ISO 100 and aperture f6 shutter speed 1/1000/second গুটেখিনি কলোৱে যে তিনটা এলিমেন্ট এক্সপোজাৰ ট্ৰায়াঙ্গুলাৰ ইন্টাৰৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে ISO shutter speed আৰু aperture এই তিনিটা এটা আনটোৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে সো কিছুমান কেস বা কিছুমান সিচুৱেচনত তিনিটাই চেঞ্জ কৰিব লগা হ'ব পাৰে বা দুটা চেঞ্জ কৰিব লগা হ'ব পাৰে বা কেতিয়াবা এটা চেঞ্জ কৰিয়ে ফটোটো ফাল আহিব পাৰে সো গো আউটডোৰ captures more and more photograph practically আপোনালোকে যদি কৰে then you will get experience on this so then only you will learn so take your camera go outside click the photograph and share with me so that's all for today aru last tot eta kotha ko je etu channel to moi start korisu as mane junbilak new enthusiast ase photography enthusiast ba photographer june hikibo khuji ase so hihotor karone ki hoy first basic of start korto bhal so I have plan to start this channel with the basics so hetu aji video to I think apnaloke bhal pale so do comment me feedback eta dibo jodi bhal pale so this is all for today gutehini moi kolu aru junkhini apnaloke photo sale aru gutehini so more website ase and you can join me on my telegram link my description di thoi disu aru more website to description ase you can go through my website aru gutehini moi junkhini bujalo basics of photography uporot article eta disu you can go through my article aru you can go through my telegram link do join my telegram link to get the PDF that I have given there so for free for absolutely free you can avail the articles with the photographs and the PDFs for free just keep clicking do support me subscribe to my channel and like and do share and give your feedback related to this video and keep clicking keep sharing thank you